Go to the Licenses tab. Here you can see that the server works in free license mode. So, if you don't have a license and want to try working in the pilot system, you can use Pilot ECM, Pilot ICE, or Pilot ICE Enterprise. For example, with Pilot ICE Enterprise, without a license, 2 users can work simultaneously if the system is deployed on Windows, and 5 users can do so on Linux. You can find more information about this mode in the help system. You can request a license file from ASCON or an ASCON's partner. If you have a license file, click on Install a new license file. Locate the license file on your computer. This file has the extension PilotLeak. Click Open. Information about the license file has appeared in the window. Below you can see details about all available licenses, including how many users are currently using the license, who those users are, and the option to reserve the license. We'll discuss this functionality later. Let's leave the server settings.